Welcome to this video on IELTS Speaking Part 3.
IELTS Speaking Part 3 is the final section of the IELTS speaking test lasting 4 to 5 minutes. It is a discussion where the examiner asks abstract, opinion-based, and analytical questions related to the topic from Part 2. Our topic in Part 2 was, describe an interesting conversation you had with someone. So let's begin with the session. How important are face-to-face conversations compared to online communication?
Face-to-face conversations are more personal and allow for better emotional expression through body language and eye contact. They help build stronger relationships and reduce misunderstandings. However, online communication is more convenient, especially for long-distance relationships. While both are important, face-to-face interactions create deeper connections.
What makes a conversation interesting?
An interesting conversation involves active listening, engaging topics, and a good balance of speaking and listening. Humor, storytelling, and thought-provoking ideas also make discussions more engaging. Additionally, when both people are genuinely interested in the topic, the conversation flows naturally.
Do you think people today have fewer meaningful conversations than in the past?
Yes, I believe so. With the rise of social media and instant messaging, many conversations have become short and superficial. People often text or use emojis instead of having deep discussions. In the past, people spent more time talking in person, which led to stronger social bonds. However, technology also helps people stay connected despite busy schedules.
How can people improve their communication skills?
To improve communication skills, people should practice active listening, ask thoughtful questions, and express themselves clearly. Reading books, watching debates, and engaging in discussions can also help. Additionally, reducing distractions like phones during conversations can make interactions more meaningful.
Do you think schools should teach communication skills?
Yes, definitely. Communication is essential in both personal and professional life. Schools should teach students how to express their ideas clearly, listen actively, and debate respectfully. These skills are useful for job interviews, teamwork, and relationships. Public speaking and group discussions in schools can help students become more confident communicators.
So, for this IELTS Part 3, you should give a direct answer, explain your reason, provide an example, discuss different perspectives, and conclude with a final thought. If you want more sample topics, please let us know in the comment section. Until we meet again with another new topic and new lessons, take care and thank you.